I'm Dor. This video will briefly introduce token analysis, how to use this part in your daily analysis, and help your investment. You can search any tokens in the search engine or find it in the list. Any of them works. Take UNI for example. First, you can see the trend of holders and prices. Green line is the price and blue line is its holders. You can query any data of any time. Here, holders means their balance is more than 0 or LP amount is more than 0. For example, from this chart, you can find when the price down, there were more buyers. After reaching a certain level, the number of holders down, which means some users began to sell. Adjacent the chart is the trend of net buy and sell, which you can drag the slider to filter date. Statistics are only for swap transactions. Transfers are not included. If the total buys minus total sales for the day is greater than 0, it means net buy, otherwise it's net sell. From UNI, we can see a decrease in price leads to an increase in trading. On the contrary, an increase in price leads to a decrease in trading. However, the trend change of net buying and net selling is always the same. The difference is adding and reducing position include transfer data. The two charts mentioned above are both key elements in your daily analysis. If buy and transfer in are more than sell and transfer out, it means add position, otherwise means reduce position. DeFinder has professional strategy researchers. So through this chart, you can see the results directly, thus you will be easier. You can freely select the last 30 days or 7 days or 24-hour data here. For example, this data means in the last 7 days, in the ranking of 300 to 500, to address by UNI, a total of 39,920, accounting for 4.61% in this period. Right is the net selling data. Here shows the balance directly, and you can also click to see the detail of net sales. DeFinder displays detailed address information, total assets, current token holdings, and net sales. In addition to this, on the below you can click See More to unlock the total data. Net buy and sell ranking include almost all the transaction information, including assets, total profit and loss, revenue, average price, quantity, and position cost, etc. You can use this part to see if there are any whales buying or there are almost small trading to think about your own transaction. In general, you can follow the giant whale or smart money so that making money may easier. If the selling here is concentrated in ranked 3,000 above and the buying is concentrated in the top 100 addresses, it means whales are continuous buying. If the price is stable, then it will rise in a higher possibility. Next, we come to new holders trend. First, look at the trend of new holders and compare with daily net buying. You observe whether the number of holders increases or decreases, and then analyze whether the volume is big. If there is a significant increase in holders, it indicates the token is popular in the short term. As long as the number of holders is not decreased, then the price will more likely to rise. Then look at the asset analysis of new holders. Most of them have less than 5,000 assets. This means the token doesn't attract too many giant whales buying now. DeFinder has a detailed analysis of holdings ranking. You can use this to find the sets of whales, cost and profit, etc. If there are many whales participating in a project in the early stage, it means that many big funds are optimistic about one project, and the probability of successful investment will be higher and the risk will be lower. Then you click UNI Top Holders to see the details. The default is to sort by balance. You can find that there are also a large number of whales in top 100. Then choose to sort by wallet net asset from highest to lowest. You will find that there are many addresses their assets are greater than 1 million. Find their cost and profit. If the current large investor's position cost is very low and the profit is large, then the risk factor of entering the investment at this time is relatively high. You need to set address alert for these addresses of large token holders. Once they sell, you can also sell them to prevent high-level orders. In addition to this, we can also find the order, observe the token holdings dynamics of early investors, see at what price they sold and mark the remaining unsold holders, and set up address alert for monitoring. Early investors are the first users to pay attention to the project. They know the most about the development of project. At the same time, there may be roles such as project staff, early investors, and manipulator. If a large number of early addresses are sold, it means that the confidence in the follow-up development of the project is insufficient, and the risk of continuing investment is relatively high. If the early addresses have not been sold, or even a large number of purchases have occurred, it means that the token have many opportunity to rise. The last is LP ranking. If you are analyzing a new project, then you can see LP ranking to look for a suspected market manipulator address, because the early liquidity of a new project is likely to be related to the project team or the market manipulator. They are not going to dump, then the probability of token price increase is higher. Click See More, you can see detailed data such as order, total quantity, cost, etc. But everyone has their own approach of investing, so this analysis is for reference only. Experience DeFinder on your own and take care of your own risk. That's all for this video. See you.